I'm using my new Xenvo wide-angle lens. It's also got a cool little light that you can clip to the top of your phone. I'm trying to avoid the problem of cutting my face off right about here, either above or below. I'm using the rear-facing camera. The front-facing camera, you end up staring right at the screen and you're off. It's like you're talking off to the side like this the whole time, the wrong way. So I'm trying to look right at the camera lens. It's Tuesday, March 10th. Great day for a vlog. Echo, what's the weather out today?
Right now in Dallas, it's 57 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast has partly sunny weather with a high of 80 degrees and a low of 57 degrees.
You hear that? 80 degrees. It's going to be a great day. My friend Echo, she's a little shy. It's a beautiful day here in Dallas, Texas. Let's go in the office and see what's going on. See what kind of trouble is there to greet us. There's already shit on my fucking lens. Check our office out. And I just got a phone call which interrupted the damn stream. Anyway, I remember to turn that shit off. Hi, D. Morning. There's nothing wrong with that hair. It's just a bun. It's a purple bun.
I love it. I hated it last night.
What happened last night?
Well, I always seem to hate my hair whenever I change the color. When it first gets done, I can't stand it, and I think it looks ridiculous.
Well, when you have it up, you don't even notice it. I wouldn't have noticed if you hadn't said anything.
Well, even with it down, when I woke up this morning, I was like, oh my God, I love it.
Oh, adore you? Cool.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
Awesome.
Takes me a little bit to get used to. Yeah.
Oh, see, it looks different in this light. Look,
Yeah, it's like...
turn your head this
purple.
way. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. He did a good job on that.
Yeah, he really did.
All right, I'm off to sketch class. I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to me.
Oh, bye.
Anyway. No more fucking around. Gotta get going. Damn, it's nice out. It is just glorious out here. Little dog neighbors next door went in, looks like. So I can show you our backyard. Not much to it. Just a dumb old backyard. Dumb old weeds. Dumb old alley. Dumb old trash cans. That's it. That's all there is to that. Oh boy, Starbucks before we hit our class. Nice hot coffee on a hot day. Good stuff.
Sorry about that.
How you doing, brother? This side?
This one.
Regular coffee, please, with heavy cream.
Regular coffee with cream.
Heavy cream.
Oh, heavy cream. Gotcha. That's cool. Is that just like kind of like a wider angle lens?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's an extra large. Sorry, the biggest one.
And
What's that?
there you go.
We got your order.
You got paid already? I don't think you did.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you did? Yeah, sure did.
You doing some video for it?
What's that?
You doing some video with that?
It's just a vlog thing.
Oh, cool.
I'm just trying something stupid.
Just degree. That's
Excellent. Thanks so much, sir. Appreciate it. Take care. Thanks. Oh, man. Down here at the corner of Elm and Hall Street, Deep Ellum. We're going to see what's going on. Sketch class. Tuesday, 3/10/2020. Later. Well, it's a nice long day. Not how nice it was, but got a little bit of work done. Made a little headway. I did experiment with time lapse. That was kind of cool. I did stop at the gas station on the way home and experiment a little bit with time lapse on this big wide lens. So I'm going to end this video with that. Like and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.